What is up, YouTube, and welcome back to another video on high altitude investing. In today's video, we are going to be talking about Theta, but before we get started, if you're not a member of the free Discord, please click the link in the description box below and get started with the free Discord. And without further ado, we'll get straight into today's video. Okay, so Theta, we're starting off here on the 5-day candlesticks. And what I want to show you guys here is the comparison of Bitcoin and Theta and the same human psychology that's taking place on both. So basically back here on Bitcoin back in the day, back in 2015, Bitcoin did a market cycle, but Bitcoin did a full, complete market cycle. Now you can see that the price went really high, got overextended, and pulled back pretty significantly, back down to about $200 per coin. So Bitcoin had this market cycle, and this market cycle was a really good setup for those of you that don't know to buy the bottom of a big correction. So after that market cycle pulled back, after the correction actually happened, we had a huge ABC correction, as you can see here. ABC correction. After this correction actually takes place, then the new cycle starts. So it was a super good time to buy Bitcoin, really undervalued here, where Bitcoin was worth only $200 per coin before it really took off into a new bull market. So buying the bottom of these market cycles when everybody else is scared is super profitable. That's really how you can make a lot of money in crypto. Like, the easiest way is to buy the bottom of these market cycles, or to buy early on in a new trend, a new cycle. So, as you can see, Bitcoin did recover, Bitcoin did break out, it broke out to a new all-time high, and in fact, it started a new cycle. Why? Because Bitcoin has a lot of demand. Bitcoin is a useful technology, and Bitcoin is here to stay. The technology behind Bitcoin is here to stay. And the demand was there, and so the demand drove price to a new all-time high. Now, the demand for crypto right now is actually even higher than it was back in 2015. Back when this cycle was happening on Bitcoin, the demand for crypto was high, but it still was not anything like it is now. And so when we recover here on Theta, I expect this recovery to be a very big recovery. The demand is even higher than it was for Bitcoin back in 2015. For crypto right now, the demand is even higher. So as we break out into this new cycle for the crypto markets, a lot of coins that people think are dead, a lot of coins that people don't understand the market cycles, those coins are going to break out, those coins are going to start new cycles and really take off and break out into new all-time highs. And a lot of people are going to go, whoa, how did that happen? Well, they were undervalued, very undervalued, and there was demand. So we started a new cycle. We expanded out into a new market cycle. And crypto right now is just exactly like the internet bubble was back in 2003 or even 2008 during the financial housing market crash, that both those times where the stock market was super undervalued in 2008 and in 2003, right before we had big pumps in the stock market, that's exactly like what crypto is right now. Very, very undervalued, a lot of people are fearful, but the demand is still there. The technology is still helpful. It's here to stay. And so when this new cycle starts, a lot of people are going to be like, whoa, I never ever expected that coin to recover. Well, you don't understand cycles. You don't understand that when there's a real world use case for something and there's a real demand for something, as long as there's a place to trade it, it's going to have cycles. It's going to expand. It's going to grow. It's going to increase in value, especially when we're printing more money than we even know what to do with here in America and across the world. And so as that money is being printed like crazy, of course, all of these assets are going to increase in value. They're going to increase in value significantly. And if you can buy the dip, if you can buy where people are fearful in the bottom here, at the bottom of these big corrections, at the bottom of these big cycles, then you can set yourself up for a heck of a lot of profit in the next cycle as you break out into a new market cycle, just like how Bitcoin did right here. That's exactly what Theta is doing right now. So yeah, we've got a lot of stuff coming in crypto. We've got a big move coming in the crypto markets, and it's going to be, like I said, it's going to be bigger than people expect. A lot of coins that people think, oh, that can't recover. A lot of those coins are going to recover, and a lot of people are going to be blown away when they break their old all-time highs, just like how Bitcoin did back in 2017 when it broke its old all-time high and started a new bull market. And a lot of people are going to be really blown away and kind of taken back when these altcoins that they consider to be dead are breaking out into new bull markets and breaking all-time highs and making millionaires. And all because they're repeating their cycles. These markets are fractal in nature, and that cycle, that human emotion repeats. That fractal of human psychology repeats. So when this thing starts breaking out and it repeats the same psychology as what happened to Bitcoin back here, right before the 2017 bull market, when we had the 2017 bull market come, well, that's because of human psychology. That's the reason that these coins are breaking out into new cycles. That's the reason that they're set up for such big, profitable moves in the big picture, which they are. They're set up for some really, really profitable moves in the big picture. Why? Because of human psychology, human emotion, the market cycles repeating over and over and over again. The same pattern, the same psychology. So yeah, I'm excited about Theta. I think people are going to be really blown away by the up-and-coming bull market in Theta. And T-Fuel as well. And a lot of coins, not just Theta. I'm not a maximalist. I don't marry Bitcoin. I don't marry Theta. I don't marry Dogecoin. I'm bullish on a lot of coins right now because of the cycle, because where we are at in the market cycle. It's a good time to be greedy, buying the dip, buying where other people are fearful in preparation for what's coming in the big picture. You know, but I don't marry coins. I'm not all in on Theta. Like, I'm just bullish. So yeah, but that's my view on crypto, on Theta, and yeah, really the crypto markets as a whole too. I mean, my view on Theta, I'm bullish on Theta here, but I'm bullish on the markets as a whole. Like almost every coin that I see, a lot of these coins look really, really good. So yeah, that's my update on Theta. Hey, thank you guys so much for tuning into today's video. I love and appreciate every single one of you. If you enjoyed this video, please do me a favor and share it with your friends. And I look forward to seeing you guys in future videos. As always, stay profitable out there.